Demonstrations were held across Manipur today as a part of Kokomi, lead state-wide alert protest, which was launched 2 days ago in the wake of Indo-Naga peace talks drawing to a closure. Talks between the government of India and the NSCN-IM held yesterday ended on an inconclusive note. As per media reports, the negotiating parties were unable to break the deadlock and the talks extended. The leaders said that the date for the next sitting was still to be fixed and added that Rabi will be fixing that soon. Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nazma Heptullah, said that she is happy to be associated with the release of book titled Bhaigachandra and Bhakti Moment in the Eastern Indian Literature today. She was speaking at the book release function jointly organized by Manipur Citizen Forum and the Intellectual Forum of Northeast at the Raj Bhavan, Imphal. More Battalion Assam Rifles organized a program under the banner Know Your Army Mela at the premises of St. George High School, More. Major Rajiv Kumar of 43 Assam Rifles, leaders of different More-based civil society groups and others attended the event. A plenary session of Pan Meitei Convention kick-started today at the Conference Hall of Banga Bhavan, Silchar, Assam. The 2-day-long event is organized by Assam Manipuri Progressive Front. Several Manipuris from across the globe are taking part in the session. Lilong police arrested an absconding drug dealer at the Lilong just after midnight today. Accused actor Hussein, as 35 years of Lilong Haurebi Mayai Laikai of the FIR number 111 Clause 10 2019 Lilong Police Station was arrested from Kiamgai Mamang Laikai around 12:30 am, a police report said. A man who has been missing since last Monday has been found. MD Ataur Rahman, as 20 years of Borayangbi Awang Laikai, has been found and is safe. A one-day temporary Mau market is open today at Sagolban Bijoy Govinda, Mamang Laikai, Imphal. Sagolban Youth Development Association (SYDA) in association with International Peace and Social Advancement (IPSA), Kanglepak Students Association and Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee jointly arranged the temporary market. The Directorate of Ayush and State Ayush Society, Manipur celebrated 4th Ayurveda Day at the Training Hall of State Family Welfare Training Center, Lamphetpat today. The program was held under the theme Ayurveda for Longevity Family Welfare. Minister L. Jayanti Kumar also attended the celebration. A 3-day national workshop on landslide hazard in southern Mizoram began in Mizoram. The workshop is being held at the Lunglei Government College Multipurpose Hall. The workshop focuses on frequent occurrence of landslides and related disasters in Mizoram, especially during the monsoon season, a media report said. Haryana ended up with a hung assembly with the ruling BJP emerging as the largest party with 40 seats, but still 6 short of the halfway mark needed to form the next government. According to the media reports, the Congress won 31 seats, the Jananayak Janata Party 10, the Indian National Lok Dal and Haryana Lokit Party won each. The Aam Aadmi Party, which contested 46 seats, was decimated. The split verdict triggered hectic political activity. A Delhi court today extended the judicial custody of Ratul Puri, nephew of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath, till November 2 in a money laundering case related to the alleged Augusta Westland chopper scam. Bishnupur District Wushu Association conducted a trial-cum selection session for players who will represent Manipur in the upcoming 19th Sub-Junior Wushu Championship to be held at Kolkata from November 25 till 30. Arsenal defeated Victoria by 3-2 in Europe League, as per media reports. In a match, Nicolas Pepe finally lived up to his prize tag as he came up the bench to lead Arsenal to victory over Victoria with perfectly executed free kicks. Arsenal and Sevilla are now the only 2 clubs with a full 9 points after 3 group stage games, with the Spanish side beating Dudelands.